Good morning, reception. Welcome back to your maths lesson. Okay, so this is part 2 of our lesson for today. Now, we have been ordering numbers, haven't we? We started yesterday ordering numbers from 0 to 10. Now, that word order, what does it mean then if we're ordering numbers? What are we doing? That's right. We were putting them in order from smallest to biggest, weren't we? And because we were working with a set of numbers that went, there were a sequence of numbers, there was a pattern to it as well, because each time they were getting one bigger, weren't they? And we had to go at representing the numbers using our Numicon, and we could see that pattern really clearly. Well, today we're going to be using the same skills as yesterday. So we're going to be ordering some numbers, and then we're going to be trying to work out what the number is in our number line by using some clues again, except we're going to look at some teen numbers today. So we're going to use the same skills, the same strategies, but with some new numbers added onto our number line. But before we get started, I've got a bit of a challenge for you really to get going. I've had a go at ordering some numbers, but I think there might be some mistakes. I wonder if you can look at them, spot the mistake, and tell your helper how you know which number is in the wrong place. Shall we have a go? Okay, so here's my first set of numbers. I've ordered them from Wonderful. Pause the video and have a chat with your helper. Is that order correct, or does something need to be changed? Well done. Great spot, everybody. Here's the mistake here. Look. It goes 1, 3, 2, 4. Oh, I can think of a few reasons why I know that's wrong. First of all, I know that 2 is smaller than 3, so it should come before it. I also know that if I use my counting skills, 1, 2, 3, 4, I know that that would be the correct order. And it doesn't go 1, 3, 2, does it, when we count? Well done, everybody. Have a look at my next sequence. See if you can spot any mistakes here. Okay. Pause the video and have a chat with your helper. Great discussions, reception. Well done. I can see the mistake too. It's this number. No, I'm only joking. This one? Yes, this number's in the wrong place. Remember, we were ordering them from smallest to biggest. And when I look at these 4 amounts, these 4 numbers, do you know what I notice? This one is the biggest amount. So that means it should be at the end of our list, shouldn't it? At the end of our order. And if I was to do my counting to check, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 doesn't come after 5. It comes after 7, doesn't it? It's larger than 6 and 7, so it needs to come at the end. Oh, well done, everybody. I can see you're ready to start our new part of the lesson. I'm going to pause the video and then we'll get started, okay? I'll see you in a moment. Okay, welcome back. Right then, reception. So I've got ready behind me my number line that we made yesterday, and you're going to need yours too. So if you haven't got it, pause the video and then go and grab that, and then we'll get started. Okay. Right then, so here's the number line we made yesterday, and we ordered the numerals, and we also made the amount to match. And by doing that, we can see really clearly how, when we're ordering numbers from smallest to biggest, we can check that we've got it right, can't we? Because we can see that the amounts are getting larger by looking at the Numicon as well. And like we said, we can also count, can't we, to check the order, because our counting skills can help us too. Well, today's task is we're going to add some more to our number line. We're going to be adding some teen numbers on the end. So these are numbers that are larger than 10. And we're going to have a go at first making them Numicon, and then we're going to have a go ordering them, and then we'll have a go at doing some more of those what number am I clues together. Okay, so let me just tilt the screen down. I'm going to show you which numbers we need to add on today. Okay, so here's the numbers that we need to add on to our number line. Now, at the moment, I think they're all jumbled up. What do you think, reception? Yeah, they're definitely not in the correct order, are they? They don't go from smallest to biggest. But before I order, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at how I can make the amounts with my Numicon pieces, because that will help me to really understand the size of each number and to see really clearly what order it needs to go in. So let's start here. So This is the number 11. Now, if I look at the number 11, I can see that it is made up of 1 10 and a 1. So that's what an 11 is. It's 1 10 and a 1. So let me grab that, and you can join in with me. If you've got your paper Numicon pieces and your number cards, you can make 11 with me. There we go. So I know that there's 10 there, so 10 and one more, so 10, count on 1, 11. There's 11 altogether, and I could check by counting all the whole if I wanted to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go, I've made 11. Now let's have a look at 14 then. So 14. Oh, so let me think, what did so this one here on 14, that means 110. So for 14, I have 110 and a 4. Well, I know 10 looks like this. I'm just going to grab my 10 piece. And then I need to find the piece that represents 4. So I have 4 holes in it. Look what I've got. Aha, here it is. There are my 4 holes. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I've made 14 reception. Wow. I wonder if you want to pause the video and see if you can make these numbers on your own. Have a go, and then I'll carry on and show you what I would do, and let's see if they match. Okay, so I'll move that back slightly so I've got a bit more room. There we go. Okay, I'm going to make this number next. What number is this reception? 15. It's that tricky one, isn't it? It's not 15, it's 15. Now let me have a look at 15. Oh, it's the same, isn't it? Each of these numbers, I've noticed, have a 1 at the start, and that 1 tells us that we have 1 10 and 5 ones. So here's my 1 10, and I need a 5 piece. Oh, what colour was the 5 Numicon? Can you remember? It was red. Here it is. So let me just check. So I've got 10 here. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We've made 15. Did you make it the same way? Wow, well done, everybody. Okay, let's have a look at this one, 13. Can you see it okay? Where can I put it? Oh no, it fits okay there. Oh dear. There we go. So let's have a look at 13. Well, look, 13 is made up of 1 10 and a 3. Well done. So let me just grab my 10. I know what that looks like now. Here's my group of 10. And I need the 3 Numicon piece with the 3 holes in. There it is. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13. I don't have to count all these because I know there's 10 there, but I could if I wanted to. It doesn't matter how we get the answer, as long as we get there. Okay, so there's 13. And the only one I've got left to make is 12. And I'm running out of space, so I'm just going to put that one at the bottom. I have to squeeze it underneath 15. There we go. Now 12. So I need a 110 because 12 is a 110. I'm going to put it next to it today. 110 and a 2. So for 12, I need a 10 and a 2 piece. There's my 2 piece with 2 holes. And I can count to check. So 10, 11, 12. Oh, reception. We've made all of our team numbers, haven't we, up to 15? Aren't we clever? Now, what I need to do next is put these in order. And I'm wondering if I've got enough space. I may have to move my camera so we can see them all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the size of the Numicons to help me too. I'm also going to look at my pattern and use my counting to help me. So I know that I can count from 10 to 15. So that will be helpful. But also, I can also look, can't I, at the number or the digit at the end of my numbers, because I think that's going to help me too. I'm just going to pause the video and I'll move this so you can see better. Okay, oh, that's much better, isn't it, reception? Right then, so we've made the amount to match the numbers. What we need to do now is put them in order, and we're going in order from smallest to biggest. Well done. Okay, so I'm going to start this off, and then I might need you to help me at the end. So, if I'm ordering numbers, to start off with, I need to find the smallest number, the smallest amount. And there's lots of ways I could work this out, but I'm going to use the Numicon to start me off. Now, they've all got 110. The difference is how many ones they have as well. Look, these are the amounts that are different. So I'm going to use those to help me. Well, this is quite small. 2 is quite small. Is there anything smaller than 2 in the ones? Aha, look, 11. 11 is 110 and 1 1. So this is the smallest amount. And actually, if I did my counting on from 10 at the end of this number line we made yesterday, well, the next number would be 11, I think. Let me see. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So it would be first. So I'm going to swap those over. Okay, let's have a look. Am I happy with this order? Oh no, look. That's not right, isn't it? That's not right, is it even? It doesn't go 11, 15, 13. Okay, let me see. So I've got a 10 and a 1. It's not this one because that's bigger. That's too big. This is smaller than that one. This is big. Oh my gosh, it's all very jumbled. Oh, look, reception. A 10 and a 2 is how we make 12. Well, hold on a minute. If 11 has 10 and a 1, then 12 has a 10 and a 2. So 2 comes after 1. Oh, I think 12 goes here. Do you agree? Let's check with our counting. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. Actually, I wonder if my counting can help me do the next one. 11, 12, 13. Now, which one of these is 13? Let me think. 13. Oh, what does 13 look like? To write 13, I write 1 and then a 3. So this one goes next. Right, reception, I think I've done it. Have a look at my order. Do you agree? Have I got that in the right order? What's that? There's a mistake? Which one's in the wrong place? These two are in the wrong place. Do you know what? I can see that now because look, we've got a 10 and a 3, then we've got a 10 and a 5 and a 10 and a 4. But 4 is smaller than 5, so it should come before it, shouldn't it? Because we're going up from smallest to biggest. And actually, let's do our counting to check. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Of course, it goes that way round. Oh, I'm really pleased now. And reception, look. Can you see that lovely pattern in the Numicon? It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like the start of our number line from 0 to 10, isn't it? It follows that pattern, except it's got this extra 10 with it. And look, you can see that pattern also in the way the numbers are written. Look, there's a 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5. I love spotting patterns, don't you? Okay, I'm going to pause this video now and then we're going to come back together and do a few more clues together to see if we can do like we did yesterday. Find out what number is being described by using our number line. And I'm going to add these on to the one we made yesterday. Okay, so I will see you in a minute on the next video. Okay, take care now. Bye.